Hello everyone, this is Paul from Dresses Studios, and in this video we're going to talk about enemy AI animations, implement the attack system, the health system, and a widget for the health indication for the enemy AI. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Previously we touched down on how to make an enemy, a basic and simple enemy with the help of behavior tree from Unreal Engine, and now we're gonna talk about and learn how to make them attack. Last time we just made a simple follow, our enemy is gonna follow towards us. This time we're gonna once again touch down on how to make an enemy attack the player. I'm gonna go to AI folder just to keep it safe, keep it there. Now we're gonna check all our things. Don't mind this. We're gonna check all our things, enemy behavior tree, and now let's have our attack. For the attack animation, I'm gonna use a pre-imported animation from Mixamo. You can go ahead and download any of it from the mixamo.com. Here it is. Open it up, search for attack. We're gonna use this kick version 1. There's version 1 and version 2. Let's browse to asset, right click on it, retarget. I have previously made a retargeter, and if you want to learn more about a retargeter, we can create a tutorial on it and share with you guys. Just let us know. Alright, I'm gonna go to AI and select the animations folder. Now here, this is all it's gonna take, and click on retarget. Here, we already have our animation on the same skeleton. Alright, now that's done. We're gonna right click on it, create any montage. We're gonna name it as it is. Alright. Now we're gonna touch down on blueprint interface. We're gonna create one and name it BPI underscore enemy master. Right click, double click to open it, and name our function as attack. That's it. That's all we need for now. Now on the VP master enemy, I'm gonna go to our class defaults and class settings actually, and implement our BPI or interface. From here, I'm gonna select my BPI. No, not the enemy AI. Enemy master. Okay. And also add. No, we don't need any of it right now. Alright. In the blueprint event graph, I'm gonna expand our interface and right click on it, implement event. Now this is our main event trigger. I'm gonna get the node of play montage. Use this windowed icon because this one actually has a lot of useful execution pins. I'm gonna take our mesh and hook it in the skeletal component. Now as for the anim montage, I'm gonna select my animation anim montage that I just created and apply it here, and we'll leave the other things as it is. That's all for the attack. Now on the behavior tree, I'm gonna create a new task of base of the from the base of BT task blueprint base, and navigate to the folder tasks and name it BTT underscore custom attack. Alright, from here I'm gonna do the same as before. Get an event receive execute AI. and finish, execute, and later turn it to success. From here, I'm gonna get my control pawn and say attack. Where You're gonna select the one that says message, that is from the BPI enemy master. Gonna align this a little and hook it up. Once that's done, I'm gonna bring this to my behavior tree, and I'm gonna add a node of wait, so that after our character attacks, we're gonna wait for a while, let's say 2 seconds, and a random deviation of 0.5. What random deviation does is it's gonna add or subtract from the wait time. Let's say from this example, let's say that if the wait time is 2 and the random deviation is 5, it's gonna select a random number from 1.5 to 2.5 and set it to the actual wait time. So as for now, we can go ahead and test. Let's see if this works. It works. Alright, one more thing, that is on the class defaults, we're gonna use desired control rotation. It's gonna come in handy later on, but we're gonna apply for now. And we have already implemented our blueprint interface. Now we're gonna implement an event dispatcher. Let's say this is called attacked, and we're gonna call here on the attack function. When what actually dispatcher does is it's basically sends a message to every other blueprint or every other functions that is actually calling this attack. As for now, when we attack and the montage plays, it's gonna send a message that I have attacked the player. What is supposed to happen next is up to us to implement. Now, let's create a simple widget for our enemy. Name a folder of widget, and here I'm going to create a user interface widget blueprint. Select user widget and name it WB for widget blueprint enemy master health. Now here I'm gonna bring in, open it up, and I'm gonna bring in canvas panel. Now I'm gonna bring in a progress bar. Now the anchor is in the middle. I'm gonna say reset the position and scale it up a little, or scale it down a little. Now let's say this is 220. Alright, now the position of y is negative 0.5 or negative 5. Negative 10 it is. Oh, this is 20, so it's gonna be negative 10, and the x is negative 100 for to keep it in the middle. Now we're gonna do a little adjustments to it, but before that I'm gonna implement this to our character. So I'm gonna add a widget from here. It's already here, and we're gonna use the space with off screen so that the health bar is visible to us from any perspective. Oh, we have to set our widget blueprint over here. From the widget class, we're gonna search for enemy master health. This should be it. Oh, you can see it. I'm gonna make it go up a little. This is still a lot bigger. We're gonna shrink it to 110. We're gonna use the appropriate position as well. See, that's what this should do it. Now, from here, we're gonna use the appearance a little. From the style, we're gonna use the background as a tint. Let's first see how it should look. Alright, the background tint red, darker one with a opacity value of 0.3. And now we're gonna copy the same exact value and use it as fill image. I think this is the one that we need to edit. Yes, it's gonna be 0.8 and a bit darker or a bit lighter. We should do it. We're gonna do the same for this one as well. Just so we don't have a conflict. Alright, let's see how it looks. Alright, as you can see, we can definitely understand how the animation of the health progress bar will change. Now we're gonna keep it to percent as 1. Alright, after this we're gonna go ahead to our BPNU master and our health system. Right here we're gonna say event any damage. We're gonna calculate our health from here. As you can see, I have created a variable called health, a float variable. Now we're gonna set it over here. Then take our health, get health, and subtract our damage number with this, and we're gonna run it through a clamp of float, where the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is our max health, or 100 for this instance, and set our health value. Now from here we're gonna run a check if our health is less or equal to 0. If this based on this condition, we're gonna add a branch, and based on this condition we're gonna check a few things, or do a few things mainly. One being, default value of health should be 100. Based on this condition, if this is true, then the character is gonna die, so we're gonna add simulate physics, and on the false value we're gonna add a print string to check our health, how much it is. Once this is done, we can go ahead and do our damage function. Let's head to our main character BP. Put some notes from before. We're gonna get a keyboard shortcut by searching board, and you can just get any one of these and click on this keyboard icon and press whatever key you want to use. If I press F, then it's going to be F. If I press X, then it's going to be X, and you get the idea. Now from there I'm gonna go ahead and search for apply damage, and the damage cursor will be reference to self, because the main character or the player BP, the player BP is doing all the damage. on the begin play, I'm gonna go ahead and search for get all actor of class. From here, I'm gonna search for the enemy master. And from here, I'm gonna get a copy and set this to a variable and call it enemy master ref. Alright, and then set. Once this is done, we can go ahead and add our reference to our damaged actor, because this is the actor that's going to get damaged. And also our base damage number is going to be 7. This is it for here. Also, we need to add some functions to our progress bar. Now here I'm going to go ahead and on the percent tab, I'm going to create a binding. Name this get health value. From here, I'm gonna do the same trick as before. Get all actor of class. From here, I'm gonna select the enemy master. Now, from here, I'm gonna get a copy. Then get health. From this health, I'm gonna divide this by 100 because that's our max health value, and this is gonna help us to get the value of from 0 to 1, as the progress bar, we already seen that the progress bar only accepts the value of 0 to 1. So I believe we can test it out now. Let's test it out. Alright, when I press F, the damage number gets shown, and also the enemy health bar is depleting. Alright, once all the health is depleted, the actor simulated physics, but the enemy is still here with us. Let's simulate physics to our capsule component. These two. Okay, it messes up. And also we're gonna hear a delay of 1.5 seconds, and then destroy our actor. Alright, let's see how this how the results of this one gives us. Okay, oh, that was a really rough spin. Right, let's check again. Right, I'm gonna comment on this system. Also add a color to it. Fine. Alright. So this is our health system. This is our widget of our enemy. Okay, this is it for today. For the next video, I'm going to show how we create an environmental query system where the enemy is aware of his surrounding, how he can hide into certain covers from the player, from us, and another is how we can strafe around, how the enemy will strafe around the player character and attack at some interval. Thanks for watching and hope you guys like it. Thanks and subscribe.